Rahim. Welcome to our virtual class. Dear students, this is Musharraf Hussain, BA Honors, MA English, Assistant Teacher English Department, Sitakund Girls High School. This is the 9th class of changing sentence, and in this class we are going to discuss about structural sentence, simple, complex and compound. Look at the whiteboard, dear students. There is an example of compound sentence. There is a question in our mind, why the sentence is compound? Because the sentence contains a coordinating conjunction. So this is compound sentence. Coordinating conjunction and but or, there is coordinating conjunction or. So this is compound sentence, and we can transfer it to complex in two ways, with if or with unless. For or, we can use both two conjunctions. One is if and the other is unless. The students, study hard. This is verb and this is extension. Study hard or you will fail. This is the subject and this is the verb. We can write here you will fail in the exam, but this is not needed now. The students, there is no existence of subject. If there is no subject and the sentence start with verb, then we have to think there is a subject and the subject always you. Without you, we cannot use here any subjective form, because there is no subject and the sentence start with verb. That means there is a subject and the subject always you. So we have to use the subject you if we want to make complex. After using subject you, we have to use the verb study hard or you will fail. Study hard or you will fail. Dear students, if we want to do the complex sentence with if, then we have to use here negative form don't. But if we want to do complex sentence with unless, then we need not use here don't, because unless is the negative word. If is not negative word, so we have to make the sentence negative using don't. But unless is a negative word, so we need not here use the negative word don't. Study hard or you will fail. If you don't study hard, you will fail. Unless you study hard, you will fail. For or, we can use if or unless if we want to make the sentence complex. Now we are going to discuss about simple from or if or unless. And the simple sentence will be started with without. Without is a preposition, and after preposition we have to use the verb present participle. What is the present participle of study? Study. Without studying hard, you will fail. Study hard or you will fail. If you don't study hard, you will fail. Unless you study hard, you will fail. Without studying hard, you will fail. The meaning of these sentences are same. Compound to complex, compound to simple, complex to compound, complex to simple, simple to complex, and simple to compound. Dear students, I think you have noticed one thing. This is one rule with or, but there is 6 sentences. Compound to complex, 1. Compound to simple, another 1. Complex to simple, another 1. Complex to compound, another 1. Simple to complex, another 1. And simple to compound, another 1. That means there is 6 sentences. Dear students, you have to notice it very carefully. Dear students, there is another example with or, do or die. That means do or you will die. If we want a complex, if you don't do, comma in the place of or, you will die. Here we can use unless, but we can make complex with one way, with if or unless. Now simple, we have to use here without from compound sentence with or from complex sentence if or we unless. We have to use without if we want to make the sentence simple. Without is a preposition, and after preposition we have to use present participle verb. The verb is do, so we have to make it present participle doing. Without doing, you will die. The students, notice one thing. There is no subject, but there is a subject. What is that? That is you. If there is no existence of you, we have to think there is the subject you. So we have to write here in the complex, and in the complex sentence we have to show the subject in both the sides. Dear students, this is the 9th class, and I welcome to all of you to our next class. I hope you have enjoyed the class very well, and if there is any problem you can inform us by commenting. So thank you everybody, stay well, see you in the next class.